Hi, back again. Today I'm going to fix the fan for the 53. You remember last time around the fan broke. Didn't see much in the picture, but I could show you better. Blade broke off, so I figured, oh, I'll order a new blade, but turns out they come as one piece. It's probably the only thing on the car that you can't actually rebuild. Well, I ordered a guy selling a blade. It was for a 6-cylinder, and I figured same rad, fan's the same diameter, should be the same thing, but it's not quite. So we'll show you the differences and see what I'm going to do to correct for it, because I'm going to make it work. Anyways, I'll give you a look later. Turn you around so it's going on. Okay, so here's the blade. It broke off. You can see it used to fit right in like that. You can see it just, basically that had been cracked for a long time. This piece here we're holding, a little bit in the middle just held. Then that flew off. You can see it hit, bang stuff. But if you look, this is the same. Blade's exactly the same size. This one's not bent, of course. But if you look, it sits there, but the holes don't line up with the things. If you look, the rivets are actually out about here, and here, and here, and here. So, literally, the bolt circle is different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off, remove the blade off of here. Then I'm going to cut off the excess blades here. Then I'm going to take the center, and I'm going to mark it in here because it'll go in the same dents, locate it. Then I'm going to use a drill press and drill through, make the 4 holes. Hopefully we can get it balanced, we'll see. But this is what I'm going to do. So we'll just start cutting, and then you can see what goes on when I cut this free. Let me get an extension cord. Cut-off wheel's not the best for this. I think we'll use a grinding wheel. That'll be better. Okay. A little better here. 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 Brand new cutting wheel, that's nice. Okay, get these glasses on again. No, they're not really good ones, but they'll work. Better than nothing. Okay. I was going to punch the hammer, maybe I can get this off. Don't want to do that. Oh, that was close. Okay, I got a punch. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can get it out. There we go, got that out. Let's see if we can get this one out. Here. One more. There we go. Damn it. Not too far. There. Okay. There we go. Cleaned up nice. So, there we have our 4 holes. Let's cut this stuff off of here so I can get it together. So, change the wheels. Okay, change the wheel. Okay, put this back on. Put this on here. And you can cut those blades off and see how well they make together. My idea. Don't know if it's going to work, but I just tried it. Okay. Goggles, put them on. Okay. Here. Just a little bit like this. Here. I'll do it this way, damn it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cut that with that. Okay. Now this should work pretty good. Let's see. Not like that. Look at this. That should fit in there. This. Okay, sit in there. Sit in there. There we go. Locked into place right there. See? Right there. Clamp that together. There's my holes. Excellent. Okay, now we'll go over to the drill press. We'll find out what holes those are. We'll clamp this together and we'll drill them out. And I think they're 1/4-20s actually. Look like 1/4 inch. I'll get some hardened 1/4-20s and put them in there and tighten her up. That'll be very nice. Let's see how that goes. See, even the hole in the center is different. This probably indexes on the hole. We're going to get close enough and then we're going to spin balance until we get it right. Put tack on the weld or blade or whatever, get it to balance out if it needs to. See how well it works. Anyways, okay, we'll shut you off for a minute. Hi, this is actually day 2. I had to go get some drill bits because the steel, this thing here was a little harder than I thought it was going to be, and it's just sort of eating a normal drill bit. So I got some cobalt bits. This should be a little better. So let's see what we can do with them. Now, the worst drill press setup in the world, but I'm just going to mark the holes. And then I'm going to see if we can mark the holes, and then we're going to drill it with the smaller drill. And hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I don't know, it's probably not too clear, but let's see. Get this lined up. Don't like that. Need it smoother than that. Right there like that. And drill that down. Over. Mark the center. The same thing for the next one. Okay, shut that off. This one in here. Top of there. Okay, got that. There we go. Okay. Yeah, off of there. There. Yeah, I have 2 sets of holes. Have the, so not bad. Not bad at all. Look. That lines up pretty damn good. Okie dokie, that works. So we'll get putting this back together in a bit. Hi, it's time I guess I've fixed the fan. I'll show you the remains of that in a sec. There you go, let me go get it. Oh, a little limpy here. Well, I didn't reach up my knees. Fan piece. There it is. Okay. Here's the fan here. Fix it up. Nicely bolted together. Spins nice and free. Very balanced. Surprisingly good. It worked out better than I thought. So now I'm going to look at the generator, and it's a little rougher. I have taken the pulley off because it was extremely rusty and put it in my bath of Metal Rescue, and it's working out pretty good. So I was just going to put this down. We'll take apart the generator here, and we'll see how it looks inside. It wasn't outputting, but I do have a new regulator. So if we get her out there, if she's going to work, she'll work. It's off of here. Okay, bring my chair over. That way I can sit down. What we got here? There you go. What we got here? Oh, the rotor just came right out. Okay. Let's see if we can get this to clean this up a bit. I'd love to take this apart, but we'll just have to fix what we can. I'm not going to take this further apart until I know it's damaged. It'll work fine. With a little bit of dirt that's in it, this will work fine. But we'll clean it up best we can. I'd really like to get those out, but one day we're going to need these out of there. Clean completely. Okay, so we're going to sandblast some stuff. I got my cabinet out. There it is there. And we're going to throw in this little beastie here. And of course the main case, and see what we can do. And see how this comes out. See if it's nice enough to keep. Anyways, you probably won't be able to hear anything. Leave the camera on, but don't expect it to do much, and I'll probably have to remove this footage, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, let's turn this on. It's pretty dismal in here, and I don't have my vacuum, so we'll see. Get some light on the subject. What we got here? Okay, this should help a little bit. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. And of course, as soon as I start this, the compressor will start, so the sound will be terrible, so we won't worry about too much. Okay. don't think it's good enough to leave aluminum. It is good enough to give a coat of black paint. Yeah, she's not in the best condition. But let's see what we can do to this next week. Just want to clean the rust off it. That's all I want to do. The outside, I'm not too worried about the inside. Just want to take the worst of the rust off of it. That's all. Let's see what I can do there. Okay. Clean a lot of stuff off there. Light sanding. Yeah, should be most of it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's take a look at what I did. Okay, so this I've got clear coat too. Picked up really nice. Looks very nice. In here, I just give this its first coat of paint. You'll need a couple more. As you can see, it's just a thin coating. Give it a few minutes. That, of course, it's all done now. It's covered in dust. But so now I should show the pulley. Oh, and the other parts over there, I got that one all painted up too. So we're soon going to put this back together. But first, we're going to test it a little bit. But we'll wait until the paint's on it. Give it another coat here, and we should be good to go. That's good. Okay, that should do good. Let it dry off, and then we'll do electrical tests. But I've already done them before. I'll just show you what to check before you waste all your effort doing this. Anyway, there. See, here's the fan off the generator pulley. I painted it, cleaned it. It sat in the bath of cleaner for quite a while. Can I get this to focus? I don't know, but anyways, put the cleaner, took all the rust off it. It actually came off really clean. You can see right here. It's, oops, if I can find it, it's extremely shiny. Very nice. And you can even read the 8BA in it. So I'm going to put a little anti-seize on the threads here, install this pulley in loosely, and a little later I've put the bolts that were a little rusty in there that hold this together. So I'm just going to use that, and we'll put it together tomorrow and test it out. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we got the generator here, we got the regulator, we got a battery, got some cables. Looks to me like we should be able to make something work. So first of all, let's start with this. Got this. Oh, I'm going to need a wire stripper of some sort. Won't be able to strip this very easily, but well, that one's okay. This one's going to be the issue. Well, we'll see what I can do with this. This. Okay, that's it. Disconnect that again. Okay, now I'm going to tip this up, put this in here. That was, of course, just flashing the field, so it would polarize for me. And I probably had done earlier when I was working on the car, but this probably did not do it after that. Okay, so now we got this all connected. Okay, so we have armature connected through to the armature connection. We have ground terribly put on, but doing its job, going through to the ground connection and through to here and around to there. Right, see, wire to the positive. Negative coming in here, going to your battery connection. Technically, if I spin this, I should see some output. Well, first of all, let's get the meter set up. Okay, meter set up. I know I have a better one, but this works. Okay, 1 volts DC. 20. That's a good start there. Okay, 20. And we have right now no low battery voltage is roughly, oh, hang on, this here. There we go. Okay. No low battery voltage is sitting at 6.27. Okay, let's hook this up. Okay, we're still clean. Okay, what do we got now? 6.27. Let's take the drill. Okay, gonna spin this up and see what happens. Nothing. See, in the meter stop, it drops. Yeah, definitely charging. Well, I guess this baby works. Not too bad. I'll save this for when my kids come home. I'll show them the setup. Anyways, as you can see, we're at the new, we're at the place, and it's a tad on the muddy side. So we won't be moving any cars today. And of course, I've been over here at the car, working a little bit, and as you can see, let me hold this out here. I've installed a new regulator. You can see I got the generator in place here, and we have some new rad hoses to put on and maybe see if she still holds water, which I hope the rad isn't damaged from the fan. Also the fan repaired, so we're going to put the new fan belts on, new fan, a repaired fan, and an alternator here, a regulator, and the generator, and we'll see how it goes. So I can't film too much. I didn't bring a tripod, and I'll just sort of show you as it goes along, but as you can see, it's not, rad's not the best. It's got its little dings and dents. We just got to see if any of them leak, and hopefully not. Though eventually I guess I probably will need a new rad, but I was very proud of the fact it was holding water, but not nice. But so we got the wiring hooked up, and we'll see if I can give it a nice shot in there sooner or later. Okay, we'll be back. Hi. Well, we're out at the car again. One more try. Actually, we're helping a buddy do some insulation in his barn, because well, he's doing his garage actually. But anyways, what I picked up on Friday, I picked up a nice little new piece, and finally we have, let's get this online, the car fully with this nice new used bullet. So the beastie looks good. I love it. Finally a bullet. Not perfect like everything else, but it will do its job. Yeehaw. Now I'm going to get into it a little bit better, see what's going on in here, but just thought I'd show you this for the start. Very, very nice. As you can see, we probably won't be moving these cars today. Oh my goodness. Not having too much fun.
We unhook the trailer by hand or what?
Yeah, I think that's what we gotta do. Yeah. It's just not letting me do any of that. We're just gonna wreck it even more.
Oh, yeah.
It's just a quagmire.
Yeah, no worries.
I don't think any of these cars will move until freeze up. But anyways,
But it's not the latest trailer.
okay, they're working okay. Anyways, we'll let them at it.